Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly view upcoming server events in Discord using the latest version of the app. This is especially useful if you're part of an active community and don't want to miss out on any planned activities, meetings, or gaming sessions. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this from your desktop or mobile. Either one works just fine. Once you're on your home screen, make sure you're logged into your account. Then look for the server where you want to check events. Now tap or click on your server's name from the left sidebar. This will open that specific server's channels and main menu area. Once inside, here's the part many people overlook. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small calendar icon. Tap on that. This calendar icon is your gateway to all server events. Once you open it, you'll get a clean overview of everything the server has scheduled. You'll see the event titles, start times, and sometimes even who's hosting or attending. It's a simple and efficient way to stay updated without scrolling through endless messages. If your server has multiple upcoming events, you can browse through them easily by scrolling.